Hi, second grade. Welcome to lesson number 9. So today we're going to sing our list of songs, and then I have a little project for you that's going to help prepare us for our next lesson because we need a xylophone. I know, that's weird, but we'll figure it out together, don't worry. So let's first start by singing our list of songs, and we'll start with Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight. Oliver Twist, you can't do this, so what's the use of trying? Touch your knees, touch your toes, clap your hands, and away we go. Oh, that last one is the new one that we started singing last week, so let's take a quick look at it again. Here's the words for it. We're going to sing it one more time now. Be careful, because when some of you sang it for me into Seesaw, you had a melody that was a little bit different than the one that we had learned together. So we're going to play it again, and I want you to sing it as close as you can to me. If you can't hear my playing, sing a little bit softer. Let's sing it once more. Very good. So let's talk a little bit about making a xylophone. Here we go. So I want you to go out to the lumber store and get me a bunch of plywood and some wood bars and a bunch of nails and glue. No, I'm kidding. We're going to do it the easy way. So I'll take this, put that aside. The thing you need to remember about the xylophone is that it's just a big triangle where we have a low side and a high side, and it goes kind of like a number line where it goes in order from lowest to highest. And then the way we're going to use our xylophone is in a pattern of 3s and 2s. So here's the first one. We could do a pattern of 3 plus 2. So I got my low, mi, and so, and I take those off. Do you see the patterns of 3s and 2s? Okay. We could also switch it around and do a pattern of 2 plus 3 plus 2. So then I got a pattern of 2, a group of 3, a group of 2, a group of 3. Okay, so here's a few ideas for things that you can sort of collect and be ready to use next time that you come to music class. Now, I don't know about you, but I am a huge lover of games, board games, card games, any kind of game. So if you happen to have Jenga laying around in your house, these are perfect for xylophone bars. I'm going to tilt you down a little so you can see. And you're going to need 10 of these guys, and then you can just set them up in the pattern. So we're going to do a 3 plus 2 pattern. 1, 2, 3. Leave a space. 1, 2. Okay? Or we could switch it around and do a 2 plus 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3 plus 2. And then I could tap them and go so, la, so, mi, so, la, so, mi. Now, if you want to get extra fancy and creative, you could also put some labels on them. I got some Post-its right here that I put on top of the Jenga blocks. And I can just use those in my pattern. Mi, so, la, like that. All right, so that's one way that you can do this. Now, on my website, there's a couple other ways that you can do a xylophone on your own. Okay, the first way is you can simply print off, where'd they go? Where'd they go? You can print off a worksheet that has the xylophones on it. I don't know where mine went, but they're around somewhere. You can find those on the websites. Also, you can find directions for how to super easily take a piece of paper and create your own xylophone bars. And then you can just put them on the floor in front of you. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I think. There's the C. Point you down, like that. And then you can take the ones off that we're going to take off, like, and then I have my group of 3 and my group of 2. So, la, so, mi, so, la, so, oops, sorry, so, mi, lo. And this is a cool way because then you can color it with whatever colors you want. You can even label it with mi, so, and la. So if you're kind of crafty, you can do it that way. Lots of ways that you can create your own xylophone. Also on the website, there's a really cool link for an app. If you have an iPad, you can use an app from the iPad that allows you to have all kinds of xylophone choices and record yourself. And that one's really, really cool if you have an iPad. Otherwise, there's a couple other ways that you can do it. You could use dominoes. And again, you could label them with Post-its if you want. You could use playing cards if you want. You could use Legos. You could use toy cars, whatever you need. And then you will also need something to play with. So if you've got pencils, you can use those, or thin markers. Anything that's long and thin is going to really help us remember how to play those xylophones. Because we just need to kind of keep that in our bodies and our brains so that when we get back together in the music room, we'll be able to just hop back on those instruments and make some music together. Okay? So your assignment today is to go and find something that you can use as a xylophone. Remember, you need 10 pieces of something, whatever they're going to be. All right? So keep making some music, and I will see you next time.